Secret tip of the day, stay hydrated. It's pretty simple. The enemy is the heat. You'll tolerate heat better if you are hydrated. This is the one thing I learned in the fire service, is what defeats heat, what defeats fire, what reduces heat the most, the reduction of heat, the fire tetrahedron. It's gonna be water. Water absorbs heat crazy well. Now just think about it. Your body is 70 to 80% water. Okay, we got a red light coming up ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and start downshifting, but tapping my rear brake just to let them know with my modulating brake light. I gotta turn left, so I'm gonna get into this left lane, but I see this left turner right here, or I'm sorry, the side of the vehicle. I just wanna double check. Nobody's gonna come out. Good, good, good. And I'm gonna be going and turning left here. So, all right, so your body is mainly water. So absorption of heat. More water in your body, the more it will absorb the heat, the less you're really gonna feel it. So drink water all the time. Yes, you're gonna be pissing a lot. I get it. Nobody likes to pee when they're on a motorcycle. You just kind of let it run out and it gets all over your motorcycle. So the thing is, just keep drinking water. You're gonna absorb the heat. You're gonna feel a lot better. You're gonna be able to tolerate the heat. That's the biggest thing. It's gonna be 100-something degrees out here today. But the thing is, it's not gonna feel like 100 because I have a lot of water in my system. I'm gonna be able to absorb it. I absorb a lot of heat. Imagine trying to put a steak on, or not, don't put a steak. Put your top ramen in a bowl without water and turn it on. You're gonna catch fire. Put water in there. It's gonna take a little bit to boil because that's gonna take a little bit. And then you could use your top ramen and put it in there and then it cooks. So water will absorb heat. Drink lots of water. So I'm gonna be turning left right here. I'm gonna be making sure I'm gonna be staying safe. But guys, if you want to learn about all these things, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you just join the freaking academy, guys. It's only $4.99. You're gonna learn all this stuff in a lecture-based course, and you get the smart rider drills, and you get to ride along with Matt and Dan. What is this person doing? You are stopping. Okay, I got a green arrow, and I'm gonna do my U-turns, and I'm gonna start getting over here, double head check, and move off into here. Join up, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. Click all the buttons on the screen. Make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you stay safe in this summer heat. I'll be seeing you guys around.